Hello everyone. So before watching this particular video, I kind of used to think that methodology and methods they are exactly the same thing, but now I realize that they are actually pretty different. Like the way you explained it, the methodology is more about why, and methods rely more on how. So that actually made a lot of sense to me. Like it is not just about what the particular tools we use, it is more about we actually really think about the research itself. And that kind of connects to something I was thinking while watching this particular video, like what kind of evidence I personally actually trust more. Like I feel like I naturally lean towards more towards the number, because in our field exercise science everything is measurement based. We look at the things like performance, we say strength, we say VO2 max, we say recovery. So numbers feel like more clear and objective. But thinking at the same time, I don't think numbers are only enough, because they don't really explain the whole scenario, the full picture. Like two people can have the same kind of results on paper, but their experiences, motivation, or we say struggle can really be different. And that's where the we say narrative parts, and that side becomes more clear and important to us. So I guess for me it is not about choosing one over other or something. It is more about how they actually complement each other. Like numbers tell you what is really happening in this particular world, but narrative, that is something that actually help understand us, like why it's happening. And I think my background influence this particular perspective too. Like since I have been trained to focus on measurable outcomes, I probably have a bias towards quantitative research, like without even realizing it. But at the same time, I have also seen how real life experience matters, especially when we are working with people. Not everything what you say can be captured in particular the numbers only. Like I think my background kind of pushes me in both direction, but maybe slightly more towards the quantitative side. Like and That also made me think about how two research could look at exact same topic, but study it completely differently. Like one person could uses survey and statistic to analyze the trends, while someone else could do interviews and focus on personal experiences. And both approaches still be valid, because they are answering the different parts of the same question. So when that's actually why I found this idea of mixed method really interesting. Like because it kind of combines both the side. It gives you the numbers, but also the particular meaning behind those numbers, like the complete situation. So overall, I think the biggest thing I am taking from this particular video and explanation is that there is no single best approach. It really depends on the particular question, like what we are asking for. So, and a strong methodology isn't about just choosing numbers over narratives or the other way around. It is about choosing what fits your research best and being uh, able to justify it particularly. And yeah, I think something I'll definitely keep in mind moving forward, especially in my research. This. Thank you.